Life is always giving you little messes. Lugging out a big heavy vacuum is a hassle, and Smallback's batteries never seem to be charged. The simplest solution is often the best. The Fuller Brush Electrostatic Carpet and Floor Sweeper is the fastest and easiest way to keep your floors looking beautiful every day. It's tiny but mighty, compact and ultra lightweight at less than 3 pounds, yet highly effective at cleaning dirt, debris, and pet hair from floors. It's cordless, non-electric, and battery-free, so you can clean anywhere, anytime, and never have to worry about a cord or battery charging. The sweeper creates electrostatic action while pushing quickly back and forth to help gather dirt, hair, and lint like a powerful magnet. Plus, it cleans while moving forward and backward, saving you even more time and effort. Unlike loud and annoying vacuums, the sweeper is whisper quiet. Clean without waking or bothering anyone, or scaring your pets. A rubberized edge prevents scuffs. The handle swivels low, making it easy to clean dirt and dust bunnies under couches, tables, and beds. It's great for tight places and perfect for RVs. Plus, it stores flat by itself or easily hang on a wall in a narrow space. And this sweeper is made with metal and built to last. Best of all, the Electrostatic Carpet and Floor Sweeper is from the trusted Fuller Brush Company, makers of superior cleaning products for over 115 years. Little messes happen every day. Clean them the fast and easy way.
Head to Fuller.com now to receive your Fuller Brush Electrostatic Carpet and Floor Sweeper for the factory direct price of just $79.99. Plus, you'll receive the Fuller Brush 3-year warranty and a 30-day money-back guarantee. Choose your favorite color. Act now and get free shipping. That's only $79.99. Don't delay. Act now for free shipping. Go to Fuller.com. That's Fuller.com. Order now.